Okay, this video is in compliance to our project in meteorology. So our objective for today is to know the types of clouds, to discuss about structure of depression and anticyclones.
Want me do my two-step.
Types of clouds. There are three main types of clouds, which namely as the high-level clouds, which can be seen in the altitude of 7 to 13 kilometers above sea level, the mid-level clouds, which can be seen in the altitude of 3 to 7 kilometers above sea level, and the lower-level clouds, which can be seen in the 2 to 0 kilometers above sea level. High-level clouds. There are three clouds that are under the high-level clouds, and these are the cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus. Cirrostratus is made of ice crystals, which is piece of frozen water, and it has a characteristic of very thin and generally uniform stratiform genotype cloud. Cirrocumulus clouds. Cirrocumulus clouds are small rounded puffs which usually appears in long rows above the sky, and its characteristic is usually white but sometimes gray, slightly thin, and also a genus type of cloud. Mid-layer clouds. There are two types of mid-layer clouds, which are the altostratus and altocumulus. Altocumulus clouds. Altocumulus clouds is a small mid-level layer patches of clouds, and its characteristic is rounded clumps, dark white, and slightly thick kind of clouds. Altocumulus clouds. If altocumulus clouds is being observed in your area, expect a stormy or smog weather appears. The sun or moon can be observed in this kind of clouds, but it will appear fuzzy and watery. By daylight, it will occur as gray or blue-gray color of light. Lower level clouds. There are four kinds of lower level clouds, which namely as the stratus, cumulus, cumulonimbus, and cumulostratus. Stratus cloud. Stratus cloud persists for long duration of time, and it is the lowest lying cloud of all, and it could be also in the form of fog and mist. Cumulus clouds. Cumulus is from a Latin word cumulo, which means heap or pile, and it characterized as white puff or cotton-like cloud. Cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus brings thunderstorm, hail, or tornadoes, and characterized as tall, dark, fuzzy clouds. Stratocumulus clouds. Stratocumulus clouds is a low, lumpy layer of clouds that can bring weak intensity precipitation. So next, structure of depression. At first, what is depression? Depression is a region of low atmospheric pressure, is the lowest atmospheric pressure, and usually brings unsettled, snowy weather. So at the center of structure of depression, there is the air masses. So air masses characterized by the temperature, humidity, properties of the depression. Then, source of region. Source of region is the area of the globe where air masses came from. And there is the warm front and the cold front. Warm front can be seen in the chart as semicircles along the line, and cold front can be seen in the chart as triangles along the line, and occluded can be seen in the chart as combination of warm front and cold front. And then synoptic weather chart. Synoptic weather chart is the summary of the current weather. Prognostic chart. Prognostic chart is a chart that displayed the weather forecast for the future. Life cycle of the depression starts with the infancy and origin, where the depression starts. Then conclusion, then maturity, then the death, where the depression and all frontal weather dies along. Now lastly, the anticyclones. Anticyclones is the simplified general circulation implies with the existence of haze pressure area. And that's all. Thank you.